Welcome to a journey through the solar system's most inhospitable world. Picture a planet where spacecraft melt within minutes, where lightning tears through skies filled with sulfuric acid clouds, and where the very ground beneath your feet could crush you in an instant. This isn't science fiction. This is Venus, Earth's evil twin, and the planet that seems to hate every visitor we've ever sent. Why has Venus defeated every mission we've ever sent? That asks the question we'll be exploring today as we dive into the hellish realm of our nearest planetary neighbor. At first glance, Venus might seem familiar. It's often called Earth's twin, and for good reason. The two planets are remarkably similar in size, mass, and composition. But that's where the similarities end. Venus is a world of extremes, a place where Earth-like conditions have been twisted into a nightmarish landscape that defies our best efforts at exploration. Let's paint a picture of what we're dealing with. The surface of Venus is a scorching 475 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt lead, and hotter than the surface of Mercury, despite being twice as far from the sun. The atmospheric pressure at ground level is a crushing 90 times that of Earth, equivalent to the pressure you'd experience almost a kilometer below the ocean's surface. And the air itself is a toxic brew of carbon dioxide, laced with clouds of sulfuric acid that rain down from above. This is the gauntlet that every Venus mission must run, and it's a challenge that has proven insurmountable for decades. The history of Venus exploration is littered with failures, each one a testament to the planet's unforgiving nature. The Soviet Union's Venera missions stand as the only probes to have ever survived on the Venusian surface, and even then, only for a matter of minutes. These hardy spacecraft managed to transmit a handful of images and data before succumbing to the extreme conditions. NASA's Magellan orbiter fared better, mapping the planet's surface from a safe distance using radar. But even it eventually plunged into the atmosphere, vaporizing in the process. Countless other missions have been lost to Venus's deadly embrace, crushed by pressure, melted by heat, or corroded by acid before they could complete their objectives. It's a stark reminder of just how hostile this world truly is. But what makes Venus so deadly? The answer lies in a perfect storm of planetary conditions, each one amplifying the others to create an environment unlike anything else in our solar system. At the heart of Venus's extreme climate is the runaway greenhouse effect. The planet's thick atmosphere, composed almost entirely of carbon dioxide, traps heat with ruthless efficiency. This creates a feedback loop where rising temperatures lead to more atmospheric carbon dioxide, which in turn causes even higher temperatures. The result is a planet that's been cooked from the inside out, its surface hot enough to glow dull red in the darkness. But the heat isn't the only challenge. Venus's atmosphere is in constant turmoil, with super-rotating winds that scream across the planet at speeds of up to 360 kilometers per hour. These winds create a permanent storm system that circles the entire globe, driving sulfuric acid rain and intense lightning strikes that would make Earth's most violent thunderstorms seem tame by comparison. The combination of heat, pressure, and corrosive chemistry means that landing technology we've successfully used on other planets simply doesn't work here. Heat shields designed for Mars or Titan would melt in minutes. Parachutes would be shredded by the intense winds. And even if a probe could survive the descent, the crushing pressure and searing heat of the surface would destroy most electronics before they could transmit any meaningful data. Despite these challenges, we haven't given up on Venus. In fact, there is a new wave of missions on the horizon that aim to unlock the secrets of this mysterious world. NASA's Veritas mission and ESA's Envision are set to launch in the coming years, both equipped with advanced radar systems to peer through Venus's thick clouds and map its surface in unprecedented detail. These missions will rely on cutting-edge technology to survive in Venus's harsh environment. Advanced heat shielding materials, inspired by those used in hypersonic aircraft, could help protect sensitive equipment. AI-controlled probes might be able to make split-second decisions to avoid dangerous conditions. Okay? And perhaps most intriguingly, there are plans for floating airships that could explore the more temperate upper layers of Venus's atmosphere, where conditions are surprisingly Earth-like. But why should we keep trying? What makes Venus worth the immense effort and risk involved in exploring it? The answers lie in what Venus can teach us about our own planet's past and future. Venus may be a hellscape now, but evidence suggests it wasn't always this way. There are tantalizing hints of past oceans and volcanic activity that could reveal how Earth-like planets evolve over billions of years. By studying Venus, we might gain crucial insights, into the long-term effects of climate change and the delicate balance that keeps Earth habitable. And then there's the possibility of life. Recent detections of phosphine in Venus' upper atmosphere have sparked intense debate about whether microorganisms could survive in the comparatively mild conditions of the planet's cloud layers. While the jury is still out on this extraordinary claim, it highlights just how much we still have to learn about our planetary neighbor. As we wrap up our journey through the inferno that is Venus, let's take a moment to reflect on the sheer drama and danger of this world. From its surface, hot enough to melt metal, to its acid-laced skies and crushing pressures, Venus stands as a testament to the extreme diversity of planets in our solar system. It's a world that has defeated our best technology time and time again. Yet we keep coming back, driven by an insatiable curiosity to understand this cosmic enigma. Each failed mission teaches us something new, bringing us one step closer to cracking Venus's secrets. So, as we look to the future of space exploration, we have to ask, do you think we'll ever tame Venus? Will human ingenuity finally overcome the challenges posed by Earth's evil twin, or will it remain forever beyond our reach? The answers to these questions could reshape our understanding of planetary science and our place in the universe. As we sign off, I encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think we should keep trying to explore Venus, or should we focus our efforts elsewhere? And if you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures through the wonders and terrors of our solar system. Until next time, keep looking up, but maybe not towards Venus. That place is scary.